Who's our head judge today? Oh, tēnā koe matua. All right, there's still a little bit of adding going on, so we get a few comments from our head judge. How? Okay, matua hua. Tēnā koe.
Kia ora tātou. It's only because I'm the only boy they made me the head judge. I didn't want to do it. But I just want to shout out, matua Steve, to our tutors this year. Many of our tutors manage a number of schools. It's hard enough managing one child, two child, let alone 4 or 5 schools. So just a big mihi to our kaiako, our tutors, and maybe a huge round of applause for the crowd. So, ka pai koutou, beautiful performances today. A judge's job is to enjoy your performance, but also to give some advice or some points for you to work on for next time. And I think the big one for us, for the tutors, big one for us is let's try and get those facials more active throughout the entire performance, instead of coming on, doing one pukana, then having a sad face for the rest of the show. The singing was beautiful. The performance, the kākahu was beautiful. Just want to congratulate you all and look forward to seeing where you go to from here. So tēnā koutou, mihi nui kia tātou.
Thank you, matua. Oku mōhiti. I had to get my glasses. Karuwha. Okay. So this is our performance certificate. Come forward, hongi, not headbutt the judge. So certificate of performance. Te Koro Miko Swananoa School. Sumner School. Come on, you want to get your photo in the middle? Photo in the middle. Photo in the middle. Up to you, don't miss your opportunity. Quickly, moving quickly, we don't muck around here. Tihiraki, North Loburn School. Haramai, haramai. Stand there, 1, 2, 3, and then gone. If the people with the camera are too slow, too bad. All right, Mingi Mingi Hotoa Night Stream School. Kapai. Te Kura o Taumata Kuri, Primpleton School. Ashley Rakahuri School. Te Hua Manuka, Queen's Park School. Te Kura o Ruatani Wha, Kaiapoi North. Okay. So I can feel your energy, and I like it, but we're not going to scream. If you find the excitement overtaking you, you say, hoo-ha, 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 hoo-ha. Okay, that rather than scream, all right? Okay, I'll put the glasses back on. Going that way, are we? Okay, to play. All right, so there's 2 competitions. The big 3 main items, stand and sing, waiatatira, action song and haka. They will be done last. Everything else like uniforms, female leader and all that, we're about to do that right now. So this one here is for the whakamihitanis, one of the boys that came out and did a mihi to everybody, a greeting. Te Koro Miko Swananoa School. This one here for Kākahu, best uniform, Mingi Mingi Hotoa, Night Stream School. Ka pai, kai waiata, either a soloist or a small group singing. Tuiraki, North Loburn. This one is for Tuatahi Wahine. First place, female leader, Queen's Park School. Tuatahi Tāne, first place, male leader, Tuiraki North Lowburn. Hoo-ha, hoo-ha, hoo-ha. Taonga Puoro, best use of traditional instruments, Te Koromiko Swananoa. This one here, not everybody did it, but for those who did, there was a, for guitarists, Prebleton Primary School. That's having youth guitarists join the adults. They may have played on their own, I don't know. Waiata Motuhake, this is our, some of them did an extra item other than the big three, a poi or something like that. That one goes to Prebleton Primary School. So, this Tuatoru, third place overall in the Whakataetae, the choral item. Third place, Tuiraki North Lowburn. Second place, Whakataetae, Mingi Mingi Hautoa, Night Stream School. First place, Whakataetae, Kaiapoi North. Hoo-ha, hoo-ha. Third place, Te Huamanuka, Queen's Park School. Second place, Whakataetae Action Song, Kaiapoi North. First place, action song, Mingi Mingi Hautoa, Night Stream School. Hoo-ha, hoo-ha. Okay, and Haka, third place, Mingi Mingi Hautoa, Night Stream School. Had to get that one in there before they took off. Haka, second place, Queen's Park School. Okay, get that snap, quick, get it. 1, 2, 3, gone, there we go. All right, Haka, first place, Kaiapoi North. And third place overall, Queen's Park School. Hoo-ha, hoo-ha. Hoo-ha, or you're being a ho-ha. All right. Kaue ho-ha, hoo-ha. Second place overall, Mingi Mingi Hautoa, Night Stream School. And first place overall, Kaiapoi North. Okay then, so, alright guys, you can go back down and join your crew.